If you're looking for an easy way to relieve pain or you're having a sleep issues, then check this out. You can help your body deal with multiple stuff just by pressing some points in your body. And you can do that even while watching this video, or maybe a longer format which explains why this works, but either way we can start pressing those points. And at the end of the video I will give you a pro tip of how not to get tired, so let's get started. The first one is right here. You can press it and hold it. You can press it and release it. Best way is to coordinate it with your breath. So pressing, breathe in, releasing, breathe out. You can also press in a circular motion. Try for yourself which one serves you best. This one deals with headaches, blocked sinuses, cold or fever, it regulates your immune system, it helps with a lot more, and it's the most popular one probably because it's easy to reach. Ah yeah, I forgot to mention, do it on both sides. The next one is also easy to find. It's right here. Press and hold, or press and release. This one is connected to a large intestine, helps with pain on your arms, elbow, shoulder stiffness, high blood pressure, skin issues. And do it on both sides. This one is a little harder to find. It's on the cross of line of your wrist and your pinky finger tender. Move your pinky finger to feel the place. And it's right over there. It is connected to your heart. It helps with fear, heart palpitation, insomnia, calms the mind. This one is a little bit harder to find. It's between your toe and the second finger. You can draw a line. It's right before your main bone of the foot. And it's right over here. It is connected to your liver. It deals with stress, dizziness, high blood pressure, sleep issues, nausea, even depression. This one is easy to find. It's 2 fingers below your wrist on the middle of your hand. It is connected to your pericardium. It helps with fear, sleep issues, calms your stomach, regulates your heart, helps with nausea. Do it for at least 1 minute, but you can do it even for 15 minutes. It's up to you. The longer the better, but even 1 minute can give you benefits. So for a pro tip, use a pencil or a pen and press those points, probably nothing with sharp edges. And you won't even notice when 15 minutes pass by when you're watching some videos. And when we heal our body, we can start dealing with our emotions. So until next time, thank you.